Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon 5 on PC. First, let's ensure your computer is ready. Forza Horizon 5 requires a 64-bit version of Windows 10 or newer. You'll need at least 8 GB of RAM, but 16 GB is recommended. Make sure you have at least 110 GB of free storage space. An SSD will significantly improve loading times. Checking these specifications is your crucial first step. Once your PC is ready, it's time to get the game. You can purchase Forza Horizon 5 digitally through the Microsoft Store or Steam. After your purchase, initiate the download. Be prepared for a large file size, typically over 100 GB, so a stable and fast internet connection is essential. The installation process is straightforward. Just follow the prompts and you'll be ready to race in no time. With the game installed, launch it and go through the initial setup. This includes configuring your preferred input method. While a keyboard works, a gamepad offers a much more intuitive and enjoyable driving experience. Next, dive into the graphics settings. You can optimize these to achieve a smooth frame rate while maintaining visual fidelity. Experiment to find the perfect balance for your system, ensuring a great visual and performance experience. Now for the fun part, playing the game. Forza Horizon 5 offers a massive open world set in Mexico, filled with diverse biomes and countless activities. Take part in various races, complete exciting challenges, and explore every corner of the map. Customize your favorite cars with performance upgrades and unique liveries. You can also join online multiplayer sessions to race against friends or other players worldwide. Enjoy the ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.